Hi guys, welcome back to Python versus YouTube channel where curiosity meets the code. Today we'll be discussing about how to convert a text into speech using Python. But before that, we'll be checking the packages pre-installed in my system. So the first command that I'm going to execute in command prompt is pip list, where you can see all the packages with the versions. So you can give a look about what package is what version and update it accordingly. So you can take a look onto your packages. If not installed, please do install it. You can just Google how to install and there will be a command for that to execute in command prompt. Another command to check for all these is pip freeze, which gives a similar output where packages with the version will be mentioned. So let's get started with the code of how to convert a text to a speech. So firstly, the imported modules are Tkinter and some of the modules under Tkinter. Let's see what few of the libraries will do. So Tkinter is used for creating a GUI and TTK for advanced widget styling and file dialog for file related dialogues and also message box for displaying the message and PyTTSX3 is for text to speech conversion. So let's dive into the program. So as you can see, there is a main class called text to audio converter, and under that we have the initial class or method, whatever you call it, and then we have get voices, and then we have convert text function, and we have save audio function, and coming down we have the main in loop display and also to run the loop continuously. Let's see from the starting. Let's start with the initial Tkinter window, how to form a Tkinter window and all those things in the first function of the class under text to audio converter. So what happens here in this module is firstly there is initialize the main Tkinter window with the title text to audio converter. So we're giving Tkinter a heading called text to audio converter. And then we are creating a text entry widget, which is text entry where the user can input the text to be converted to audio, packs the text entry widget into the window with some vertical padding. And also there is a create a combo box for voice selection. So we have different kinds of voice. So we create a combo box widget, which is voice selection for voice selection, calls the get voices method to retrieve available voices, packs the combo box into the window with some vertical padding and get set the default selection of the first voices. Then we have to have buttons for convert, save audio, and quit. So we are creating the buttons for text conversation, audio saving, and quitting the application. Binds each button to its respective command, such as convert text, save audio, and master.quit, and packs them into the window with some vertical padding. And after that, we are initializing the text to speech engine, which is equal to self dot engine is equal to pyttsx3 dot init. So let's move on to the function get voices. Now what happens here? Firstly, we define the get voices method to retrieve available voices using the text to speech engine. So initializes the engine again to ensure the fresh initialization returns a list of voice names. So let's move on to the next function. We have function convert text. Now what happens here again? You're defining the convert text method to convert the input text to audio. It retrieves the text from the text entry widget and the selected voice from the combo box, sets the voice property of the engine and speaks the text using the selected voice. Finally, runs the engine to convert the text to the audio. So let's move on how to showcase the already converted voice is the next part. So the next function is save audio function. Again, what it does is firstly defines the save audio method to save the audio generated from the input text. It retrieves the text and selected voice similarly to the convert text method, prompts the user to select a file path for the saving the audio as an MP3 file using a file dialog. If a file path is selected, saves the audio to the specified file path and displays a success message using a message box. Now let's move on to the part where the entire program is executed. So firstly, it defines the main function to create a Tkinter root window and then text to audio converter class and starts the Tkinter event loop. And the last is for to run the script if executed as the main program. It is called the main function. So let's execute the program and see.
Hello. 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 How are you? How are you?
If you have learned something from this video, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.